What if one idea could turn into a complete animated short drama, not just one random AI clip? I'm talking story planning, character design, GPT-Image 2 storyboard frames, HappyHorse 1.0 animation, subtitles, background music, and a final downloadable video, all inside one website. This is MagicLight AI, and in this video, I'm going to build a full short drama from scratch using its short drama video workflow. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to AI Motion Studio. Today, we're looking at MagicLight, an AI-powered video creation platform built for story-driven videos with cinematic visuals and consistent characters. To get started, head over to MagicLight AI and click Get Started. If you already have an account, you can log in with email. For this walkthrough, I'm creating a new account, so I switch to Sign Up, enter an email, create a password, confirm it, and then type in the verification code sent by email. Once the code is accepted, MagicLight takes us straight into the dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you can see MagicLight is built around different creation modes. On the left side, there are sections for My Creations, Asset Store, Data Analysis, Earnings, and Create. That is important because MagicLight is not only a generator, it also has an asset creation center and earning system where creators can publish reusable characters, styles, and polish skills, then earn when other users reuse those assets. Below that, there are tons of examples from other creators, which is useful because you can quickly understand what the platform is good at before making your own project. For this tutorial, we're going into short drama videos. This is the workflow designed for dialogue-first stories and one-click AI drama creation. It is an AI drama agent that can turn a single story idea into scene-by-scene dialogue with roles, actions, camera shots, and up to several characters per shot. Before writing the story, I want to set the creative direction. First, I open the Story Model Selector. You can see options like Gemini Flash, GPT 5.5, and other reasoning models. For this walkthrough, I use GPT 5.5 for the story planning. Then I open Visual Styles. MagicLight has a full style library with options like 3D cartoon, Disney, realistic cinema, cinematic still, storybook illustration, and cartoon story. There are more than 50 visual styles and over 10,000 character assets, and this is where that creative range matters. Since I want this to feel like a polished animated fairy tale short, I choose the GPT-Image 2-based cartoon story style and apply it to the project. Now we add the story idea. The prompt can be short, or it can be very detailed. The more detail you give MagicLight, the more direction it has for the characters, the emotional tone, and the ending. For this demo, I'm creating a Cinderella-inspired fantasy story about Ella, a silk shop servant who discovers a magical star train and tries to reclaim her identity as a designer. Once the idea is in, I click Next, and MagicLight starts analyzing the story. After the analysis finishes, MagicLight builds the content plan. At the top, it gives us the synopsis. Ella is mistreated in a silk shop, but her craftsmanship and a magical encounter on the star train give her a chance to pursue her dreams. Under that, the platform breaks the story into individual shots with subtitles and dialogue. The first scene starts with Ella sweeping the dusty shop, and later we get the star train, the prince, the stepmother, and Ella finally claiming her name. MagicLight estimates this project at around 4 minutes with 48 shots, so before anything is animated, we already have a complete story structure. Next is the cast step, and this is one of the most important parts of the workflow. MagicLight detects 6 characters from the story: Ella, stepmother, stepsister Win, stepsister 2, fairy godmother, and the prince. Instead of designing every character manually, the platform generates a character card for each role. You can see the main cast appear one by one, with age, gender, and style information underneath. This matters because consistent characters are what make AI story videos feel connected instead of random from shot to shot. Once the cast is ready, we move into Storyboard. This is where MagicLight turns the shot list into actual images using the GPT-Image 2 storyboard workflow. On the left, you can see the auto-generated 48 storyboards. In the main preview area, each shot starts in a queue. Then MagicLight generates the image for that scene. The first frame shows Ella sweeping inside the silk shop, and the later frames start building out the full story world: the stepmother, the stepsisters, the magical train, and Ella's final transformation. This is also where we can preview the subtitle for each shot and see the prompt that created the image. This section gives creators a lot of control before animating. Each storyboard image has tools for clothes, object removal, expression, figure, pose, and prompt editing, plus the Nano Banana visual refinement option shown inside the storyboard editor. On the right side, MagicLight shows the on-screen characters and the exact image prompt, so if a scene needs a different pose, more emotion, or a cleaner composition, you can regenerate it before spending credits on motion. There is also an Upload Custom Image option, which is useful if you want to bring in your own reference frame or replace a shot with a specific visual. Now it's time to animate the storyboard. I click Animate, and MagicLight opens the Selection Model panel. There are two modes here: Animate 1 if you only want to animate a single shot, or Animate All if you want to process the full project. The dynamic model list includes options like HappyHorse 1.0, CDance 2.0 Fast, CDance 2.0, CDance 1.5 Pro, Vidu Q3 Pro, and Gemini Omni. For this run, I choose HappyHorse 1.0, select the available static images, and confirm. MagicLight begins animating the scenes and shows the progress while it works in the background. After the animation finishes, the storyboard thumbnails now have playable previews. This is where the project starts to feel like an actual short film instead of a set of still images. I can click a scene and watch Ella move inside the silk shop. I can jump to another shot and check how the stepmother and Ella are staged. If a motion result does not work, the Regen button is right there, and the prompt panel lets me adjust the shot before trying again. When the scenes are ready, we go to the Edit step. First, MagicLight gives us subtitle settings. I can choose no subtitles or pick from different subtitle styles and preview how the text will sit on the video. After that, I switch to background music. The volume is set low, around 10%, so it supports the story without overpowering the dialogue. For this fairy tale style, I choose from the Sacred Biblical category, and MagicLight marks Holy Dawn as the best match. I apply it, save the settings, and now the project has its final audio and subtitle layer. With subtitles and music set, I click Generate. MagicLight now renders the finished video, and the progress circle shows the export moving forward. On the right, there is also a YouTube publishing panel, which connects to MagicLight's channel management features for creators who want to publish and operate content at scale. You can connect a YouTube account, set the title, and use the generated summary for the project. For this video, the title is The Silk Weaver's Star, and the summary describes Ella as a young servant in a silk shop whose magical encounter gives her a chance to reclaim her identity. And here is the final result.
Another day of silk and dust.
Scrub those stains, Cinderella!
A palace invite! The Star Train!
You? The moon would hide in shame! Finish your chores, then you go.
Done. Now for my secret dress.
Scraps? This rag is trash! Stay here in the dark, servant.
I just wanted to be seen. My paper crayons? You're glowing!
Are you ready to be seen, Ella?
I am. I won't hide anymore. Magic only dresses the surface. It feels like wearing moonlight.
Midnight is the end. Go now!
They're finally looking at me.
Why are you hiding in the corner?
The music is broken. Like me. It's playing! You're incredible.
Broken things can still sing.
Will you dance as yourself? Who are you, mysterious girl? Time for wishes. What's yours?
Midnight! I have to go!
Wait! Tell me your name!
I'm sorry! I can't stay! My shoe! No time to stop!
You'll ruin everything!
You are just a servant, Ella.
I'll find the courage to speak.
Where is the girl from the train? A liar's foot. Is no one else here? The girl who fixed the music.
May I bring my own name?
I want the artist, not a doll.
It fits. I know who I am now.
You are nothing without me!
I am a designer. I am Ella. Sow your own wings, little ones. Carry this wish to the sky. My story is just beginning. MagicLight has taken the idea, built the cast, created the GPT-Image 2 storyboard, animated the scenes with HappyHorse 1.0, added subtitles, added music, and rendered the short drama into a finished video. At the top, we have options to go back, post to MagicLight, or download video. Inside the download menu, you can download a contest version, download the video with no watermark, or download all of the generated images from the project. That makes it easy to use the final video as is, or keep the still frames for thumbnails, posts, and future edits. So that's the full MagicLight AI short drama video workflow. One idea, 6 characters, 48 planned GPT-Image 2 storyboards, HappyHorse 1.0 animation, subtitles, music, and final export. If you want to create long, high-quality videos with consistent characters and scenes, try MagicLight AI through the link in the description and pinned comment. And if you found this walkthrough useful, smash that like button and subscribe to AI Motion Studio for more AI tool deep dives every week. Drop a comment below. What kind of short drama would you create with MagicLight? Until next time, keep creating.